Hello friends, I hope all of you are safe in your homes and healthy. Welcome back to our epic journey of from fiber to fabric. In the last class we have covered up to the rearing of sheep. In the today's class we will discuss about the processing of wool from the fiber. Means the final sweater like the kurta I am wearing, that is a woolen cloth. How can we get this? So this we all discuss in the today's class. This process involves different steps. First step is shearing. Shearing is the process of removal of the fleece from the sheep's outer body. It consists of removing the thin layer of skin and the outer hair from the sheep's body. This is done in the hot weather so that they can survive easily in the winters and the summers also. The hair consists of the dead cells, so it will not hurt while we perform the shearing process. Next steps comes the scoring. What do you mean by scoring? Basically, we have removed hair from the sheep's body in the first step. Then time comes to washing away of the hair to remove dirt, grease, etc. is known as the scoring. स्कोरिंग इन द स्कोरिंग प्रोसेस बेसिकली जितना भी उसके हेयर होते हैं शीप को उन्हें टैंक्स में फैक्ट्रीज में वॉश किया जाता है क्लियरली ताकि उनसे जितना भी डस्ट ग्रीस एक्सेट्रा स्ट्रिक होता है वो सब उससे निकल जाए. देन आपका आता है नेक्स्ट स्टेप सॉर्टिंग. सॉर्टिंग जैसे आपको पता है कि थिंग्स को हम लोग अरेंज करते हैं. सो इन दिस स्टेप ऑल्सो वी डन द सेम थिंग. We will do in this sorting, the hairs are separated into the different textures. Then comes the next step, cleaning of board. Board, I think all of you are familiar with this word. Yes, that board जो आपके स्वेटर्स में आ जाता है, वुलन क्लोथ्स में, जनरली विंटर्स में, शॉल्स वगैरह में. सो इस स्टेप पे हम लोग जो है जितने भी हेयर होते हैं शीप के तो उनसे हम सब कुछ बोर्ड को सेपरेट कर देते हैं. दिस होल प्रोसेसिंग इज डन इन द फैक्ट्रीज टुडे. Next comes the process dyeing. Now this is a very beautiful process, or you can say in this we will color the different fiber into the different colors. For example, natural color जो होता है fiber का वो that is brown होता है जो हमें मिलता है sheep से, उनके hair जो होते हैं. बट dyeing में हम लोग क्या करते हैं उसको अपनी choice के according different color कर देते हैं उसको. Like ये जो कुर्ता है इसमें this is also a woolen, तो इसमें different color के threads use हुए होंगे. So this is done in this step dyeing. Next comes the steps rolling. I hope आपको अभी तक clear हो रहा होगा जो मैंने बोला. If you have any questions, then ask me. This is the final step of the whole process. In the rolling, basically the fibers are strengthened and rolled into the yarn. इसमें जितने भी longer fibers होते हैं उनका हम use करते हैं to weave the sweaters, और जितने भी shorter fibers होते हैं that are spun to weave the woolen cloth. So this is all we get from this, the whole process. So ये जो beautiful kurta है, woolen cloth है, this will get from this process. For example, this is a sweater. This is also a very pretty sweater. This has beads, different color of threads used in it. So this whole we obtained from this process. I hope everything is clear to you. So thank you very much and bye bye. Meet you soon in my next class. Bye bye.